When the printer alerts you to replace the wasting bottle, you will see a message on the display as well as an exclamation point icon for the wasting bottle counter. To replace the wasting bottle, we're going to go into the maintenance menu, which is in the top navigation bar. Scroll down to replace wasting bottle. And now we're going into the back to empty out the bottle. The wasting bottle is located next to the ink supply system in the back. So what we're going to do is first lift up the wasting bottle and tilt it towards you and carefully remove it and dispose of the waste ink per your local regulations. After you've disposed the waste ink, we're going to put the bottle back into place. So tilt it towards you, make sure the tube is in the hole, and set it securely in the base. One thing to note is that the wasting bottle is a reusable item. After we've replaced the wasting bottle, we go back to the display and touch the OK button. Reset the counter for wasting bottle, we select yes, and the counter is reset again. That's it.